Bay windows add timeless beauty, architectural interest, and enhanced views to any home. But when it comes to choosing the best material for your bay windows in Clinton Township, homeowners must consider more than just style. Durability, energy efficiency, maintenance, and cost are all key factors. This guide explores the top materials to help you make a confident and informed decision for your home improvement project. Vinyl. The budget-friendly favorite vinyl is one of the most popular materials for bay windows across Clinton Township, and for good reason. It's cost-effective, low maintenance, and resistant to moisture and pests, perfect for the fluctuating Michigan climate. Pros. Affordable compared to wood or fiberglass. Excellent insulation properties. Resistant to rotting, fading, and warping. Virtually maintenance-free. Cons. Less customizable than wood. Not as durable as fiberglass in the long term. Best for homeowners who want energy efficiency and affordability with minimal upkeep. Wood. The classic, elegant choice. Nothing beats the warmth and beauty of natural wood. If you're looking to add a traditional or luxurious touch to your bay windows, wood delivers unmatched charm. Homes in historic Clinton Township neighborhoods often retain wood windows for authenticity. Pros. Naturally beautiful with various wood types and finishes. Excellent insulation when properly sealed. It can be painted or stained to match your home's design. Cons. Prone to rot, warping, and insect damage without proper care. It requires regular maintenance, painting or sealing. Higher upfront cost. Best for homeowners who want a timeless aesthetic and are willing to invest in regular maintenance. Fiberglass. The long-lasting powerhouse. For those looking for durability and energy efficiency, fiberglass is an excellent choice. It's quickly gaining traction among Clinton Township homeowners who want a low-maintenance product that lasts for decades. Pros. Stronger and more durable than vinyl. Resistant to warping and expanding with temperature changes. Can mimic the appearance of wood. Energy efficient and eco-friendly. Cons. More expensive than vinyl. Limited color options and less paint. Best for families seeking a long-term investment that can withstand Michigan's harsh winters and humid summers. Aluminum. The modern minimalist option. Aluminum windows offer a sleek, modern look often seen in contemporary homes and commercial buildings. While not the top choice for energy efficiency, they can be a stylish and practical option for certain homeowners. Pros. Lightweight yet strong. Slim frames for maximum glass visibility. Resistant to moisture and corrosion with proper finish. Cons. Poor thermal performance compared to other materials. Can be prone to condensation and heat loss. Less soundproof. Best for modern or industrial style homes that prioritize aesthetics and slim sightlines. Composite. The best of all worlds. Composite bay windows combine the strength of wood with the low maintenance of vinyl or fiberglass. Made from a mix of materials like wood fibers and resins, these windows provide exceptional performance across the board. Pros: durable and energy efficient, low maintenance, can mimic the appearance of natural wood, resistant to warping, rotting, and insect damage. Cons: more expensive than vinyl, may have fewer customization options than wood. Best for homeowners who want the look of wood without the hassle, and are willing to pay a premium for performance. Final thoughts. Choosing what's right for you. The best material depends on your goals. Whether it's maximizing energy efficiency, minimizing upkeep, enhancing curb appeal, or sticking to a budget. Clinton Township's climate, with its hot summers and snowy winters, calls for materials that can handle extreme temperature swings and moisture. If you're unsure, consult a local window replacement expert who understands regional building codes, environmental factors, and aesthetic trends. Investing in the right bay window material today ensures lasting value, comfort, and beauty for years to come.